This German-Kurdish player just reached a record that stood for 35 years, and he did it as a substitute, someone who was not even in the game until minute 59. And when he came on, Germany was already losing 0-1, and one more bad result would have sent them home. After just 9 minutes, he scores and ties the game.
And it's a substitute, Deniz Undav, who finally breaks through for Germany.
Then in minute 94, the last seconds of the game, he scores again.
It's Deniz Undav again!
Germany wins 2-1, and every time he scores, he celebrates by dancing a traditional Kurdish dance. His name is Deniz Undav. He's Kurdish, Yazidi, and he's one of nearly 1 million Kurds living in Germany today. Some of them came as a guest worker after World War II, and others left Turkey to escape oppression. Over 40 million Kurds around the world have no country at this World Cup. For them, Deniz is the closest thing they've got to a team, and Kurds around the world are rooting for him. In just 2 games coming off the bench, he scored 3 goals and set up 2 more. That's 5 goal contributions total, which matched the record that Roger Milla set back in 1990. Politicians in Germany are still arguing about whether immigrants belong here. Deniz Undav just answered that question.